children, welcome to the maths class. In chapter 8 comparing quantities, in previous class we learnt about percentage. Percent means per hundred and 1 by 100 is represented by this symbol percent. Percentage is the numerator of a fraction whose denominator is 100. And this 1 by 100 is represented by this percent symbol. We also learnt about these conversions. Fraction into percentage, percentage into fraction, decimal into percentage, percentage into decimal, ratio into percentage and a percentage into ratio. Coming to exercise 8.2. Question 1. Here we have to convert all these fractions into percents. A 1 by 8. Denominator is 8 here. But we know that the percentage is the numerator of a fraction whose denominator is 100. So in denominator we want 100. But 8 is not the factor of 100. So we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 100 for finding out the equivalent fraction. And now 1 by 8 into this 100 in the numerator. And for this 100 in the denominator, write it separately 1 by 100. Now find out the value of this part. 100 divided by 8, we get here 12.5. And for this 1 by 100, write percent sign. So 1 by 8 means 12.5%. B 5 by 4. Now this denominator 4 is the factor of 100. So we can multiply this by 25 to get the denominator 100. So multiply numerator also by 25. 25 5s are 125. And we know that percentage is the numerator of the fraction whose denominator is 100. So for this 100 we can write percent sign. So we will write 125 and for this 100 we will write 1 by 100. So 125 and for this 1 by 100 write percent sign. C 3 by 40. 40 denominator is not the factor of 100. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. Now multiply this fraction 3 by 40 by this numerator 100 and write this denominator 100 separately as 1 by 100. Now find out the value of this part. 3 into 100 is 300 and 300 by 40. 300 by 40. And for this 1 by 100, write percent sign. If we will find out this 300 by 40, we will get here 7.5 and a percent. D 2 by 7. Denominator 7 is not the factor of 100. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. Multiply this fraction by numerator 100 and write the denominator 100 separately. Now find out the value of this. 2 into 100 is 200 by 7. For this 1 by 100 percent sign. This fraction is improper fraction. We can convert it into mixed fraction also. So mixed fraction we get 28 and 4 by 7 and this percent sign. Question 2. Here we have to convert these decimals into percents. A 0.65. Here there are 2 digits after decimal point. So it is 65 hundredths. And now write it as numerator 65 into this denominator, write separately as 1 by 100. 65 and for this 1 by 100 write percent sign. So it is 65%. B 2.1. 1 is at first place after decimal point. So it is tenths. So number is 2 and 1 tenths. This is mixed fraction. Convert it into improper. 2 tens are 20 and plus 1 21 by 10. This denominator 10 is factor of 100. So we can convert it into 100 by multiplying by 10. So multiply numerator also by 10. 210. When we are multiplying denominator by 10, we have to multiply numerator also for finding out the equivalent fractions. So here 21 into 10 is 210 and denominator is 100. Now write numerator 210 and for this 100 in the denominator write separately 1 by 100 equal to 210 and for this 1 by 100 write percent sign. C 0.02. 2 is at hundreds place. So the fraction is 2 by hundreds. Denominator is already 100. So we will write numerator 2 and denominator separately as 1 by 100. This 2 numerator and for this 1 by 100 write percent sign. So 0.02 means 2%. D 12.35. There are 2 places after decimal point. So it is 12 and 35 hundredths. This is mixed fraction. Convert it into improper. 12 into 100, 1200 plus 35. 1235. Denominator is 100. Now write numerator 1, 2, 3, 5 and for this 100 in the denominator write 1 by 100 separately. Now this is 1235 and for this 1 by 100 write percent sign. Question 3. Find the percent of shaded part in these figures. 1. Here out of 4 equal parts, 1 part is shaded. So the fraction for the shaded portion is 1 by 4. Denominator 4 is the factor of 100. We can make the denominator 100 by multiplying 4 by 25. So multiply numerator also by 25. 25 ones are 25. Now write numerator 25 and for 100 in denominator write it separately 1 by 100. Now 25 is the numerator and for this 1 by 100 write percent sign. So the percentage for this shaded portion in this figure is 25%. 2. In this figure, out of 5 equal parts, 3 parts are shaded. So the fraction for the shaded portion is 3 by 5. Denominator 5 is the factor of 100. So by multiplying by 20, we can get the denominator 100. So multiply numerator also by 20. 23 is 60. 60 is numerator. Write this 100 in the denominator separately as 1 by 100. And this is numerator 60 and for this 1 by 100 write percent sign. So the percentage for this shaded portion in this figure is 60%. Third, here out of 8 equal parts, 3 parts are shaded. So the fraction for the shaded portion is 3 by 8. Here denominator 8 is not the factor of 100. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. Now multiply this fraction 3 by 8 by 100 numerator. And for this 100 in the denominator, write 1 by 100 separately. Now this 3 into 100, we get 300 in numerator and denominator is 8. And for this 1 by 100, write percent sign. This is improper fraction. We can convert it into decimal or as a mixed fraction. We can convert it as a decimal. 37.5%. Question 4. Find a 15% of 250. So, write 15. For percent, we will divide by 100. Of means into. And this is 250. 250 in numerator. We can write any whole number as a fraction by writing its denominator 1. Now see here 250 and 100. Both are having 50 as a common factor. So we can divide both by 50. 50 2s are 100 and 50 5s are 250. Now multiply numerators. 15 5s are 75 and 2 1s are 2. So this is, divide this 75 by 2. We will get 37.5. B. 1% of 1 hour. We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Again minutes we can convert in seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So to convert minutes into seconds, again we have to multiply by 60. 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. So 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. So we will write here 1 for percent, divide by 100, for of means into, and for 1 hour we will write 3600 seconds. So 3600 write in numerator and denominator 1. Now see, this is 100 and 3600. 100 is the factor of 3600. So divide. 100 ones are 100, 36 are. So we get here 36 seconds. Because here hour we have converted into seconds. Here also we have to write seconds. C. 20% of rupees 2500. So 20 numerator, for this percent sign write 100 in denominator, of means into, and rupees 2500 in numerator. Write 1 in denominator. Now see, this 100 is the factor of 2500. So we can cut both these two by 100. Divide 100 by 100. 100 ones are 100 and 100 25s are 2500. Now multiply numerators. 20 into 25, 500. 25 twos are 50 and one more 0. It is rupees. And 1 into 1 is 1. So it is rupees 500. D. 75% of 1 kg. Write numerator 75. For this percent sign, divide by 100. Of means into. And for this 1 kg, we will write 1000 grams. Because we know 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So write 1000 grams in numerator and 1 in denominator. Now 100 is a factor of 1000. So 100 ones are 100, 100 tens are 1000. Multiply numerators. 75 into 10 is 750. And 1 into 1 is 1. So we can write it as 750 grams, because we have converted here kilograms into grams. Question 5. Find the whole quantity if A. 5% of it is 600. Here it is the whole quantity, unknown quantity. So for that unknown quantity, we will take variable x. Now write it again. 5 for percent, divide by 100. Of means into. It we have taken unknown x. Is means equal to, and this is 600. Now this is the equation. We have to solve this equation. We want only variable on left hand side. We don't want this 5 and 100 in the denominator. First remove this 100 from the denominator. You can multiply both sides by 100. So 100 will be cancelled on left hand side and 100 will come in the numerator in other side. Or directly you can change the side of 100. Here on left hand side it is in denominator. It will go in the numerator in right hand side. So only 5x will be left in left hand side. This 100 will go in the numerator on right hand side. So it is 5x equal to 6 and 4 zeros. Now we don't want this 5. Divide both sides by 5. Here 5 will cancel and this 5 will come here in the denominator. So 60,000 divided by 5. You can directly change the side of 5. Here it is in numerator. On other side it will go in the denominator. Now 5 is the factor of numerator. 5 ones are and 5 12s are 60 and 3 more zeros. So x equal to 12,000. The whole quantity is 12,000. B. 12% of it is rupees 1080. Again this 8 is the whole quantity. We have to find it. Let the whole quantity be x. It is unknown. So write it as 12 for percent, 100 in denominator, of means into it we have taken the unknown quantity x, is means equal to and rupees 1080. Now this is the equation. We have to solve this. Here 100 is in denominator in division. Change the side, it will come in multiplication in numerator. So 12x, this is 12 into x equal to, first write right hand side, and now this 100 in the denominator or in division, it will come in the multiplication in numerator on other side. Now 12x equal to rupees 1080 and these 2 zeros. Now 12 we don't want. You can divide both sides by 12, or this 12 is in multiplication here in numerator. We can change the side. So it will go in the denominator in division. Now x equal to rupees. 12 9s are 108. So 12 ones are 12 9s are 108 and these 3 more zeros. So here we get the unknown quantity x equal to rupees 9,000. C. 40% of 8 is 500 kilometer. Again this 8 is the whole quantity. It is unknown. We have to find out. Let the whole quantity be unknown x. So write it as 40 for percent, 100 in denominator, then of means into, it is the whole quantity x, is means equal to and a 500 kilometer. Now we have to solve this equation. First remove this 100 from the denominator. Change its side. It is in denominator here in division. It will go in the numerator in multiplication. So 40x is left on left hand side equal to 500 kilometer into this 100 in the numerator on right hand side. Now remove this 40. 40 is in here multiplication in numerator. It will go in the denominator or in division on right hand side. So x on left hand side and 500 kilometer into 100 is in the numerator and this 40 will go in the denominator. Now we have to solve this. 40 and 100, they have common factor 10, so we can divide it. 10 4s are 40 and 10 10s are 100. Now 500 and 4. 4 125s are 500. So 4 1s are 4 and 4 125s are 500. Now numerators are 125 into 10. X equal to 125, and for this 10 one more 0, and this is all in kilometer. So the whole quantity, unknown whole quantity, is 1250 kilometers. D. 70% of it is 14 minutes. Again this it, the whole quantity, unknown quantity, we have to find out. Let the whole quantity be X. So 70 for percent divided by 100 of means into, it is the whole quantity, unknown quantity is means equal to 14 minutes. We have to solve this equation. Remove this 100 from the denominator first here. From left hand side it will go in the numerator in multiplication. So 70 into x, 70x equal to 14 minutes into 100. This 100 after changing side will go in the numerator in multiplication on right hand side. Now this x equal to 14 minutes into 100. This is the numerator of right hand side. Now change the side of 70. Here it is in numerator in multiplication. On right hand side it will go in the denominator in division. Now we know that this 14 and 70 has common factor 14. 14 ones are 14, 14 5s are 70. And now this 5 ones are 5 and 5 20s are 100, and it is in minutes. So x, the whole quantity, is 20 minutes. E. 8% of it is 40 liters. Let the whole quantity, unknown quantity, be x. So 8 for percent sign divide by 100 of means into, it is the whole quantity x is means equal to 40 liters. Now we have to solve this equation. Remove this 100 from the denominator first. Here it is in denominator in division. Change the side, it will go in numerator on other side. So 8 into x, 8x equal to 40 liters into this 100 here in multiplication. Now remove this 8. Change the side, it will go in the denominator on other side. So 40 liters into 100 divided by this 8 in the denominator here. Now 8 and 40. Common factor is 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 5s are 40. So the whole quantity we get 5 into this 100. 500, and it is in liters. So the unknown whole quantity is 500 liters.